on this episode of Come to Work With Me, I've got this. Bathroom stall needs a new look. Maybe it does. Can this be replaced? Maybe it needs replacement. So let me decide that. Let's have a look, see. Maybe they are right, I don't know. Well, there isn't a washroom 256A, but there is one 526A. That dyslexic mother. Yeah, this is broken, all right. Obviously, took it off the door. This is how the intact looks like. Where's the missing part from this one? Nobody knows. It's okay, we'll get a new one. Let's see. Washroom door hardware. I'll find it somewhere here. Yeah, these are the other kinds. Let's keep looking. I found this other design different from the original in shape, but at least the hole spacing that lines up and that lines up. Okay, that's a good start. For the height of the latch, this sliding latch here, the height of this one doesn't seem to be the same as the height of this one, but in the original one the latch has a gooseneck or a bend in it, so it steps down and I can shim this one higher sensibly. Something will work. So here is an intact one, and on this one I got good hope that they line up the same way. Flush, let's see, flush to the door, flush with each other. Mounted here. This is gonna line up with, lines up with two, yeah, something like this on the outside to look. Let's see. Wow, this is not how this is supposed to be used, but whatever. And yeah, it needs to be raised this much, or shim that with a couple of washers so that it at least looks like so. So it reaches sideways. That's good. Just needs a couple of washers. Alright, like there. Looks like 3 washers did it. Until we have the proper hardware, this will work. If it's slammed there, it's holding. Done for now.